Hi family, in this video I'm sharing with you my hairstylist combination for a gypsy mini twist. I haven't used it in a while and so I was excited to retry it. If you are watching from Ghana, then you know this gel. It's one of the popular ones out there that a number of stylists use in twisting the hair. My stylist usually combines this with hair grease, but on days when she doesn't have it, she uses shea butter. So in this video, I'll be using shea butter. I didn't use any measurements for this, I just eyeballed it. In this video, I'm not going for mini twists like I have in the picture you see on the screen. I'm going for something just a little bigger. I'll leave a video link to the mini twist you see on the screen in the cards above and also in the description for your convenience. I'm twisting on freshly washed hair, and here's what the twist looks like when I put the strands tightly together. I applied a generous amount of the mixture to the session and worked it in thoroughly before I started twisting. My stylist did this on freshly washed soaking wet hair without any extra product. I experimented with possibly adding a leave-in conditioner at the back of my hand, but that would have left residue on my hair. Here's what my stylist did. She would twist the root tightly to about an inch and then twist the rest loosely. And that made my twist fluffy and also gave it volume. I have to mention that when I'm doing mini twists, I don't pat my hair with comb. I use my fingers. I feel that is easier for me to do. In addition, I detangle my hair in the shower during the conditioning stage, and so in this video you wouldn't see me using comb, like trying to comb or brush the hair whilst twisting. You can see how the natural curl pattern is shining through the twists. Having done this a couple of years, I can say that the results are best when this is done on soaking wet hair, but the downside is shrinkage. One thing I like about this combination is that it tames the frizz and keeps the style looking fresh for so long. It maintains the shine for a longer period of time and keeps the twist looking as good as new. If you are new to this channel, welcome to Rosy Natural. My name is Rose, and on this channel, I share my natural hair journey. It includes hair care, hairstyles, and a few DIYs to help with the natural hair journey. If this sounds like something you would like to see more of, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you are notified of every video I upload. Here's a gentle reminder to click the like button if you haven't already, as it helps this channel to grow. So I'm all done now and loving the look of these twists. I'll let this air dry and just hope it dries completely before bedtime. From past experience, when I did this at night and went to bed with my hair still damp, I woke up in the morning with the twist looking squished and already set in place. So I try to do this somewhere early morning or in the afternoon and wait till it's completely dried before it's bedtime. So here's my hair just before bedtime, completely dry just as I wanted it to. The twists have been set in place, but it's soft and not crunchy. If you have ever used this gel or even this combination, I want you to share with me what your impression was in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video.